Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for clicking on the video. This is our Skoda KODIAQ. It's the 2-litre petrol 190 PS 4x4 automatic in the SEL specification and business grey metallic paint. The vehicle has been upgraded from the factory to have the 19-inch Triglab alloy wheels. All of the SELs do come with an electric tailgate as standard, and this is the 7-seater version, but as you can see, with the 7 seats folded down, it gives you one flat surface and a huge boot. It comes with the leather and the micro-suede upholstery, which continues throughout the whole vehicle. And there are also textile floor mats in here too. Now the car does have extremely low mileage with just 1,883 miles on the clock. On top of the standard specification, you do have the adaptive cruise control, and you also have a panoramic sunroof. So the standard specification is you get a built-in navigation system along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you have the option to pair your phone instead. You do get the dual zone climate control air conditioning unit, which also gives you heated front seats. And then you also get front and rear parking sensors. You have the electrically operated handbrake, drive mode selection, automatic headlights, and also electrically operated wing mirrors. Thank you for watching, and for any more information on this car, please call the showroom on 0208 686 8844. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.